Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And first create a duplicate layer, Ctrl+J, CMD+J. After go to Filter and click to convert to Smart Object. Then OK. Double-click to change the layer name. Go to Filter, choose Camera Raw Filter, Shift+Ctrl+A. Click to zoom in screen. Adjustment exposure setting, following the complete step by step. And first subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon. While the adjustment white exposure is going on, subscribe my channel. Click to open levels adjustment now. I will show you before and after. I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon.